Hello everyone, welcome to Shree Tutorials. In this video, I will be solving the questions from 1 to 5. So if you want to watch the remaining question solutions, then please do watch the part 2 videos. The part 2 video link will be in the description box. Now let us start solving the problems. Number 1. Convert the given fractional numbers to percents. These are all in the form of the fractions. We have to convert these into percentage. Let us see how to convert. First one, 1 divided by 8. This is in the form of a fraction. To convert this into the percentage, we have to multiply this with 100 and then a percentage symbol. Now we have to simplify this. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8 and then we will left with 20, 4 5s are 20. So we got 25 divided by 2 percentage. 25 divided by 2 can be simplified as 12.5 percentage. Do not leave this percentage symbol. This is very important. Now let us solve for the second one. 5 divided by 4. How to convert this into percentage? Just multiply this with 100 and put a percentage symbol. Multiply this with 100 and then a percentage symbol. Now simplify this. 4 1s are 4. 4 25s are 100. 25 into 5 is 125. 25 into 5 is 125. So the answer is 125 percentage. Now let us solve for C. 3 divided by 40. Now how to convert this into percentage? Just multiply this with 100 and then a percentage symbol. Now simplify this. This 0 got cancelled. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. We got 5 into 3. 5 into 3 is how much? 15 divided by 2 percentage. 15 divided by 2 can be simplified as 7.5 percentage. This is the final answer. Now let us solve for D. D is 2 divided by 7. How to convert this into percentage? Just multiply this with 100 and then a percentage symbol. Let us write like 2 into 100. 2 into 100 is how much? 200 divided by 7 percentage. Let us calculate 200 divided by 7 using a traditional division method. 200 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14. 20 minus 14 is 6. Now let me drag this 0. 7 8s are 56. 60 minus 56 is how much? 60 minus 56 is 4. 4 is less than 7. So let me put a point here and a 0 here. 7 5s are 35. 40 minus 35 is how much? 40 minus 35 is 5. 5 is less than 7. So let me put a 0 here. 7 7s are 49. 50 minus 49 is 1. The remainder is 1. This calculation is going to be continued. So let me stop the calculation here itself. So the answer is around 28.57. Answer is around 28.57 percentage. This is the final answer. Question number 2. Convert the given decimal fractions to percents. These are all in the form of the decimals. We have to convert these decimals into percentage. How to convert? Let us see. 0.65. 0.65 can be written as in the form of a fraction. How to write? Let me tell you a very simple trick. First, write 1 in the denominator. Now, count the number of digits present after a decimal point. This is a decimal point, right? Now, count how many digits are there after a decimal point? 1 and 2. So, there are 2 number of digits present after a decimal point. So, put 2 zeros. So, this will be 100 in the denominator. Then, in the numerator, write a number without a decimal point. Do not write this decimal point, just write the number. So if I write this number without a decimal point, this will be 0.65. 0.65 is nothing but 65 itself. Right? Now we have converted this into the fraction. Now we can easily convert this into the percentage because we have learned this in the previous example. Just multiply this with 100 and put a percentage symbol. This 100 got cancelled. So the final answer is 0.65 percentage. Then Now shall we move to the second one? B, 2.1. 2.1 can be written as in the form of a fraction. How to write? First, let me write 1 in the denominator. Now count the number of digits present after a decimal point. After a decimal point, only one digit is present. So let me put only 1 0. So this will be 10 in the denominator. In the numerator, what should I write? A number without a decimal point. That will be 21. Now convert this into percentage. This 0 got cancelled. So the answer is 21 into 10. 21 into 10 is how much? 21 into 10 is 210 percentage. This is the final answer. Now let us solve for C. C is 0.02. How to write this in the form of a fraction? First, let me write 1 in the denominator and then let me count the number of digits present after a decimal point. This is a decimal point. 1 and 2. So there are two number of digits present. So let me write 2 zeros in the denominator. In the numerator, what should I write? I should write 2. Now convert this into percentage. This 100 got cancelled. So the final answer is 2 percentage. Now let us solve for D. 12.35. 12.35 means what should I write in the denominator? First let me write 1 0 and then 2 zeros. So this will be 100. In the numerator, what should I write? 1235. Now convert this into percentage. This 100 got cancelled. So the final answer is 1235 percentage. Question number 3. Estimate what part of the figures is colored and hence find the percent which is colored. That means we have to write these figures in the form of the fraction as well as in the form of the percentage. Okay, first let us start with the first circle. If I can divide this circle equally like this by keeping this as a reference, so I have divided this circle with the same length of this. Right. Now I have equally divided the circle into 4 parts. So how can I write the fraction now? In the denominator, what should I write? In the denominator, I have to write the total number of equal parts. How many total equal parts are there? Totally, how many equal parts are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are totally 4 equal parts present in the first figure. So write 4 in the denominator. And what should I write in the numerator? They are asking us to find the colored percentage. They are asking us to find the colored percentage, colored part percentage. So we have to write the colored part in the numerator. How many colored parts are there? Only one colored part is there in the first figure. So write only one in the numerator. Now we have find the fraction, but now we have to convert this into the percentage. How to convert this into the percentage? Just multiply this with 100 and put a percentage symbol. 4 ones are 4, 425 is 100. So the answer is 25 into 1. 25 into 1 is 25 percentage. This is the colored part percentage. Now let us move to the second one. Okay. How to write this in the form of a fraction? In the denominator, what should I write? In the denominator, I have to write total number of equal parts. How many totally how many equal parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are totally 5 equal parts in the second figure. So write 5 in the denominator. What should I write in the numerator? I have to write the number of colored parts in the numerator. Now let me count the number of colored parts. 1, 2 and 3. So there are totally 3 colored parts in the second figure. Now how to convert this into percentage? Just multiply this with 100 and put a percentage symbol. Now simplify this. 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are 520 is 100. So the answer is 3 into 20. 3 into 20 is how much? 3 into 20 is 60. This is the final answer. Now let us move to the third figure. How many Total, how many equal parts are in the third figure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are totally 8 equal parts in the third figure. So let me write 8 in the denominator. Now how many parts are colored? 1, 2 and 3. So only 3 parts are colored. So write 3 in the numerator. Now convert this into the percentage. 4 2s are 8, 4 25s are 100. We got 3 into 25. 3 into 25 is how much? 3 into 25 is 75 divided by 2 percentage. 75 divided by 2 can be simplified as 37.5. 37.5 is the final answer. Question number 4. Find 15% of 250. 15% can be written as 15 divided by 100. 15% can be written as 15 divided by 100. Of is nothing but a multiplication. Then 250. Okay. Now we have to simplify this. This 0 got cancelled. 5 2s are 5 5s are. Now we got 15 into 5. 15 into 5 is how much? 15 into 5 is 75 divided by 2. 75 divided by 2 is 37.5. This is the final answer. There is no unit for this because in the question also there was no unit. And do not put a percentage sign here because we have not converted this into the percentage. Now let us move to the second one. Second one is 1% of 1 hour. Okay, 1% can be written as 1 divided by 100. Of is nothing but a multiplication. 1 hour. Now we have to simplify this. 1 into 1 hour is nothing but 1 itself divided by 100 hour. Now we have to simplify this. Let me take a rough note and let me simplify here. 1 divided by 100. Okay. 1 is less than 100. So let me put a point here and a 0 here. 10 is also less than 100. So let me put a 1 more 0 here and a 0 here. Okay. Now 100 ones are 100. Now the remainder is 0. So the answer is 0.01. Answer is 0.01. Now 1 divided by 100 hour. 1 divided by 100 hour can be written as 0.01. What is the unit? Unit is hour. Done. Now let us solve for C. 20% of rupees 2500. 20% can be written as 20 divided by 100. Of is nothing but a multiplication. And then 2500 rupees. Now we have to simplify these two zeros got cancelled. So the answer is 25 into 20. 25 into 2 is how much? 25 into 2 is 50 and then this 0. So the answer is 500 rupees. And we move to the next one, D. D is 75% of 1 kg. Okay, 75% is nothing but 75 divided by 100. Of is nothing but a multiplication and then 1 kg. Now we have to simplify this. 75 into 1 is how much? 75 into 1 is 75 itself divided by 100 kg. Now we have to simplify this. 25 3s are 75. 25 3s are 75. 25 4s are 100. So we got 3 divided by 4 kg. 3 divided by 4, we have to simplify this further. 3 divided by 4. Let me divide using a traditional division method. 3 is less than 4. 3 is less than 4. So let me put a point here and a 0 here. 4 sevens are 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. Again 2 is less than 4. So let me put a 0 here. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. So the answer is 0.75. 0.75. What is the unit? Unit is kg. Unit is kg. 0.75 kg. Now let us solve for fifth one. Find the whole quantity. We have to find the whole quantity or the original quantity. They have just given a part of it. 5% is nothing but a part of it. They have given 5% of it is 600. They have given 5% of it is 600. That means they have given just a part of the whole quantity, but we don't know the whole quantity. We have to find out. How to find out? Let me explain you. 5% can be written as 5 divided by 100. Of is nothing but a multiplication. It is a whole quantity, but we don't know the value of whole quantity. We are going to find it now. So let me take that as x equals to, they have given the value for 5%. So equals to 600. Out of this equation, we have to find for x. Now let us simplify. 5 ones are 5, 5, 20 is 100. X into 1 is x itself divided by 20 equals to 600. X equals to 20. I am moving this 20 from LHS to RHS, so this will be 20 into 600. 20 into 600 means 6 2s are 12 and then these 3 zeros. 12,000. Okay, now let us move to the next one. Next one is B. 12% of it is rupees 1080. That means 1080. How to write 12%? 12% can be written as 12 divided by 100. Of is nothing but a multiplication. It is, we don't know the value of it is, so let me put as x equals to rupees 1080. Okay, now we have to simplify this. 4 3s are 4 25s are. So we got 3 into x. 3 into x is how much? 3x divided by 25 equals to 1080 rupees. Okay, now x is equals to, I am moving this 25 from LHS to RHS, so this will be 25 into 1080 rupees divided by, I am moving this 3 from LHS to RHS, so this will be divided by 3. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9, we will left with 180, 3 6 are 18, now we will left with 0. So the answer will be x is equals to 25 into 360. 25 into 360 is how much? 9,000. So the answer is 9,000. That means the whole quantity is 9,000 rupees. Now the third one is C. 40% of it is 500 kilometer. How to write 40%? 40% can be written as 40 divided by 100. Of is nothing but a multiplication. And then it is means we don't know the value of this. So let me put as x equals to 500 kilometer. Okay, now we have to simplify this. This 0 got cancelled. 2 2s are 2 5s are. So this will be x into 2. X into 2 is 2x divided by 5 equals to 500 kilometer. Right? Now I want to keep this x in the left hand side and then I want to move all these numbers 2 and 5 to RHS. So when I move this 5 from LHS to RHS, this will become 5 into 500. And when I move 2 from LHS to RHS, this will be divided by 2. The unit is kilometer. 2 ones are 2, 2 250s are 500. Now 5 into 250 or 25 into 5 is how much? 25 5s are 125 and then this 0. The unit is kilometer. This is the final answer. Now the fourth one, D. 70% of it is 14 minutes. How to write 70%? 70 divided by 100. Of is nothing but a multiplication. It is means x equals to 14 minutes. Now we have to simplify this. This 0 got cancelled. So we got 7 into x. 7 into x is 7x divided by 10 equals to 14 minute. Okay. Now I want to move the numbers 7 and 10 to RHS. So this will be 10 into 14 divided by 7. What is the unit? Unit is minute. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So we got the answer 10 into 2. 10 into 2 is 20 minutes.